Love a clean bathroom, love getting ready in here, doing my business in here, zenning out in here, but oh my gosh, when a bathroom is dirty, it takes every fiber of my being to motivate myself to clean it because it's icky. And we recently did a poll on the Clean My Space community tab. We had 15,000 respondents and we asked, what is the place you hate to clean the most in your home? And like double the amount of any other response. We got almost 60% of you saying that the bathroom was the place that you hated to clean the most. So in this video, we're going to examine the why behind the hate and we're going to examine the how to get over the hate. One of the reasons many people, myself included, hate cleaning the bathroom is because it's time consuming. And why is it that the smallest spaces in our home require like the most amount of time? Well, that's because a lot of things happen here in this bathroom and there are a lot of little extra cleaning things that need to take place in order to get the job done right. So when we're thinking about our week or our day, it's very easy to skip over the bathroom. I'll do that another day. I don't have that much time. And then it compounds and compounds and the bathroom gets disgusting. And then you're like too overwhelmed, don't want to do it. I'm just going to not look at the dirty stuff. You know what happens. Like you've been there. You've been in my head. I've been in your head. And that's where we need to stop things because if we have a routine and we understand what needs to be done in order to get the bathroom cleaned efficiently and effectively, the overwhelm won't happen and those little annoyances that we have to tackle all the time become autopilot and simple. And when you know how to get this done, this is when your bathroom can be maintained regularly and fairly easily. This is something that I had to learn when I started my cleaning business because when I first started, a bathroom like this would have taken me an hour to clean. Now I could clean this bathroom beautifully in 20 minutes. It's just knowing the products, tools, and techniques, and we've got videos on bathroom cleaning routines that you can check out to help give you a really good springboard. Now, of course, you're not going to clean the bathroom right after someone has delivered a few Amazon packages, if you know what I'm saying. Bathrooms, they are smelly, so that can be a bit of a turnoff when it comes to cleaning them. And there are a few things that you can do to help combat this and make it a little bit more pleasant. Couple things come to mind: turn the fan on, open the window if it's really stinky in there. You can also use an air purifier right at the door to make it a little bit more pleasant for you while you're in here, or you can use something like an essential oils diffuser just to kind of help amp up the smell while you're in here if you need that as a mood boost. I would also suggest if there are some ongoing odor issues in the bathroom that you look into those as well. For example, if your sinks or your shower drain smell, that would be a good sign that, you know, they might be running slowly as well, that you need to clean them out. If you're getting a smell coming from your toilet, you might want to investigate that one too. And in general, if you have like a moldy smell, that probably means that there's a moisture issue. I've got lots of videos on how to take care of the air in your home, and that would definitely help in making this small place a little bit more enjoyable, so I will link those for you down below. Some of the most panicked DMs and emails I get from the Clean My Space community has to do with hard water stains, and particularly from people who live in areas with hard water, because hard water, especially in the bathroom, is so hard to clean, whether it's on your fixtures like your faucets or build up in your shower from like drippy water. Hard water is hard enough to clean as it is, but if you live in an area with hard water, it is doubly hard. The only advice I can give you is to stay on top of it and use an appropriate product, whether it's a calcium, lime, rust remover, or some sort of full-strength vinegar, as long as it's safe for your surfaces. You just have to stay on top of it. You can get a water softener and you can also squeegee your glass. And if you are doing that on a regular basis, you are not going to see the kind of hard water buildup that you would see without that same maintenance. And to me, when that stuff builds up, people feel super overwhelmed and definitely less motivated to clean the bathroom. The major turnoff whenever you step into a bath or shower is soap scum. And if you're not staying on top of cleaning your soap scum regularly, whether it's by using a squeegee or by using a proper cleaner, it will A, build up, and B, feel infinitely more gross every time you get in there. And I remember as a professional cleaner, when I first started out, I would get to people's homes for the first time and there was just like a gray coating. And I'm not judging, but what I am saying is it's just a sign of lack of maintenance. And if you're not staying on top of soap scum, it happens quickly and it feels yucky. There are really, really easy ways to deal with it. It's just a matter of making the time to do it. And it's not so effortful and time consuming. It's just like thinking about it so that you don't have to deal with the buildup later on. So I'm gonna link some videos for you down below about how to deal specifically with soap scum, a major turnoff when it comes to cleaning a bathroom. I also try to think about what's going on in the bathroom logically. I know the people who are using this bathroom. I mean, I'm married to one of them. I gave birth to the other one, so how gross can they really be? And the buildup of germs and bacteria, that happens everywhere around the world. So when I'm in the bathroom, I really just try to remind myself of these things. And when I did it for people professionally, I mean, it took a little bit more mental gymnastics, but as I said, I got there. And I'd love to know in the comments down below, what is the stumbling block for you? What is the hardest part about you wanting to clean the bathroom or getting motivated to clean it? Or what grosses you out the most? Let me know in the comments down below. To help you get over all of this yuckiness and disgust and any of the roadblocks that you might be hitting up against when it comes to cleaning the bathroom, I've actually put a whole playlist together for you to check out of a lot of videos that we have made for cleaning the bathroom over the past 11 years. And I hope you watch them. I hope they help you. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.